Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, kniyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli, ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban let puli, da ka education loan, pila ban chukol hau number, kandai nyo, saw, san rio pranon, lani kandai pran rio laisan, an riway kandai pran.
O President juga United Democratic Party uba medba lingdo hak nyotrik menailan aja apulai. Ula kentu ya Tnat Pulit bagade benle daga bating e ki Nongïalam jong Legal Rights Observatory ka balapan pau jong perthai ya Nongïalam kum gejala ka isi jabin rio. Hak jeng krem bilat perthai kubur uba medba uloong bagi Pulit ki hak balong ki bapet ngor mat kimde ban shimsting daga ba ailat yanuru ban pentut yak syongsuk syongsan. Uloong bagi Tnat Pulit gadan kam ban pet ngor bro arpsau kunta naka benta ka syongsuk syongsan jong ki pat ba hak gejala hapa penpau ya kejingja badang sian hatura namar bakat kum kejing sngo jong u kani kejingja kalabu jing ma wat ya kejing em jong menteri rang ba kejala ukonrat ke sangma.
Police has to be more cautious and one cannot just take it for granted as far as law and order is concerned. Police has to be alert 24/7 all time and because it is the safety and security of the people of the state. And imagine on that day, the Chief Minister himself, I could imagine that he was in a very, very, awkward position, which has really endangered the life of the Chief Minister. So, I mean, the police has to be more vigilance and more alert, and they have to step up as far as the intelligence is concerned and informations, and one should not stay back and relax just because Meghalaya is a peaceful state. I think we should not give any scope for any kind of anti-social elements to disturb peace and harmony which prevails in the state. Based on what? That I can't say anything. I have no comment on that part. But whoever is responsible for those kind of actions, the police department, the government has to take action. There's always room for improvement in all aspects, be it from whatever. And so many of theft cases are happening everywhere, every night, in almost every villages. So these are very, very, unfortunate kind of, situations. But it's not only the law and order from the department, from the government, but again, society also plays a very important role. I think if they portrayed like Meghalaya, people in Meghalaya are lying, I think that will not be tolerated. It should not be allowed. We have seen in the past, even recently also, even till now also, that the people who are trying to, step in the platform of communal lines, I think, cannot be accepted because the outcome of it will not be accepted by any human being. So I think the government should take very serious note of those kind of news and steps, and action should be taken immediately without any delay.